Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to turn up talk to live representative in Google Search Lab. Okay, I will show you how to turn up. First you have to go to Google, then you can see that Search Lab. Click this Search Lab. Okay, going to page like that, then you can scroll down. Welcome to Search Lab. Scroll down. Okay, you can see in my computer right now, so talk to live representative is on position. You can see right here. So what are you gonna do? Just click this on button. Okay, after you click that on button, gonna be a page like that. Talk to a live representative. Then what are you gonna do? Just click this button to turn off. Okay, guys, that's the way how to turn off talk to live representative in Google Search Lab. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.